Parliament of India cannot make laws related to subjects mentioned in the state list unless A. If Rajya Sabha passes a resolution that this is in national interest. B. If the Legislative Assembly proves that this is legislative necessity. C. When there is national emergency. D. All the above. Option D is correct. All the above. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India have the authority to audit the accounts of A. Consolidated Fund of India. B. The accumulated fund of the state. C. Each union territory which have legislative assembly. D. All of the above. Option D is correct. All of the above. Who among the following has never been Vice President of India? A. Jaswant Singh. B. Shankar Dayal Sharma. C. Zakir Hussain. D. B.D. Jatti. Option A is correct. Jaswant Singh. Who among the following is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? A. President. B. Vice President. C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. D. Prime Minister. Option C is correct. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which article of Indian Constitution says that India shall be a Vice President? A. 52. B. 61. C. 62. D. 63. Option D is correct. 63. Select the example of application software of computer. A. MS Word. B. MS Excel. C. Both A and B. D. MS DOS. Option C is correct. Both A and B. Epidemiology is the study of A. Endodermis disease. B. Dermis disease. C. Epidemic disease. D. None of the above. Option C is correct. Epidemic disease. Which of the following is used as a fuel in cars along with petrol? A. Methane. B. Ethane. C. Butane. D. Ethanol. Option D is correct. Ethanol. Who is the founder of oceanography? A. Susumu Tonigawa. B. Alhazen. C. Carl Landsteiner. D. Matthew Mori. Option D is correct. Matthew Mori. Which of the following statement is or are correct about asteroid belt? A. Between orbit Mars and Jupiter most of the asteroids lie. B. This belt is divided into smaller belts. C. This belt is separated by distances known as Kirkwood's gaps. D. All the above. Option D is correct. All the above. Geology is the study of A. Hands. B. Feet. C. Comets. D. Skull. Option A is correct. Hands. Ornithology is the A. Study of plants. B. Study of bones. C. Study of noise. D. Study of birds. Option D is correct. Study of birds. Which of the following pigment causes eye color of person? A. Cornea. B. Choroid. C. Iris. D. Vitreous body. Option C is correct. Iris. Who among the following used the term computer worm for the first time? A. John Brunner, B. Alan Turing, C. John McCarthy, D. J.P. Eckert. Option A is correct. John Brunner. Who discovered the iridium layer and won Nobel Prize also? A. Henry Moseley, B. Pierre Curie, C. Santiago Ramon, D. Luis Alvarez. Option D is correct. Luis Alvarez. What is the boiling point of ethanol? A. 100 degree, B. 50 degree, C. 88 degree, D. 78 degree. Option D is correct. 78 degree. Which hormone is formed in leaves and helps in the blooming of the flowers? A. Chromatic, B. Auxin, C. Florescence, D. None of the above. Option C is correct. Florescence. Name the first mission of NASA in which a spacecraft was reused. A. Apollo Soyuz, B. Space Shuttle, C. Skylab, D. None of the above. Option B is correct. Space Shuttle.